Welcome back to Great Day. The home-delivered ready meals category has grown quickly, and St. Louis startup SorryFood.com provides a real service during these crazy times, delivering freshly prepared ready meals made by local chefs and now wine transported right to your home or office. I love everything about it. With us today is Chef Tony Valenti. Chef Tony, we're happy to have you, sir. And for anyone who is not familiar with it, what is SorryFood.com?
It's a concept where we're bringing around 15 to 20 restaurants directly to your house, and you can have individual meals. So you can have chicken parmesan one day, and you can have some Indian cuisine the next, along with a nice bottle of wine to complement each meal.
Well, my stomach is already growling. You mentioned a couple. What other types of meals are available on SorryFood.com?
We have a barbecue chef, we have a Chinese, Thai, several types of American cuisines such as Southern Comfort, some different cuisines from around the country.
And as you are talking, we've been showing some pictures of the incredible dinners you guys have all created. What has been your experience with SorryFood.com?
Well, we're just glad for the opportunity to bring a variety of different meals to people's homes to help us brand our Valenti's Market and Catering Company, where when they're starting to think about gathering with 50, 100 people, they're thinking of us because they tasted our food and thought it was great. I believe that's why the other chefs are doing it as well, for the publicity. To bring, a meal or two to somebody's home is great, but that opportunity to service somebody's family is even greater.
Thank you so much, Chef Tony Valenti. Again, SorryFood.com has now added wine delivery to residents of Missouri. You can order online at SorryFood.com. They are available 24/7. 365 online with chat always available for customers. And listen up, all you Great Day viewers out there, you get 10% off your first order with the promo code KMOV.